Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Bowdabra and make this beautiful lantern swag. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm cutting a piece that's long enough so that I can tuck the end underneath, and also so I'll have enough left over to tie it onto our lantern. So we'll tuck the ends underneath here. Then what I'm going to do is take my mesh and just twist it as I go. So we'll fold back here and twist. It wants to twist all on its own. I don't even have to do anything. And then I'm going to fold back here and twist it. And then I'm going to fold it. So we're going to do a four loop bow. And we'll twist it here. And we're going to fold it back over here and scrunch it in. And it looks like we've got some pieces of mesh that are just hanging out there, so I'm just going to clip them off. Oh, came off pretty easy. There we go. And we have another piece here. I think this must be an inexpensive mesh that we maybe bought at Dollar Tree or something. So now what I'm going to do is I'll clip all that when I'm done. I'm going to take my first floral and lay this down into my bow. Oh, I forgot to cut the mesh. Okay, so let's cut the mesh here. And then what I'm going to do is I have these evergreens. We're just going to lay one going down this way, and I've just tied these two together. We'll have them going in here. And then I have this one where I've got two together here. We're just going to lay these down. I'm just going to curve this here and bring those down there. And take this one, put it here. Then I'll take my flower and lay this down in here. And then I have my beautiful rose and gold ribbon. And let's see, I think I'll have this hanging down this way. And then I'm going to take this ribbon and we're going to make a loopy bow. We're going to twist and fold and twist. And all we're doing here again is folding and twisting. And this is one of our awesome Bowdabra ribbons that we have on the website. And let's twist it here, fold it back over, twist it. And just the last one, I'm just going to take a little bit there, scrunch it in. And I should take my wand, but I don't know what happened to it. So I'm just going to bring this up here, pull it through my slip knot, and pull it tight. Well, it's still in the Bowdabra, but it looks like I got it caught on something. So let's pull this there. There we go. So now I'm just going to tie it really tight and pull it out of my Bowdabra, bring it around to the back, and we're going to tie a knot and tie a second knot. So now I'm just going to fluff out the loops, and then we just tie it onto our lantern, and we have an absolutely beautiful lantern swag. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.